This year's Nairobi Fashion Week challenges the industry to rethink production, consumption and creativity through a sustainability-first lens. The theme explores how designers can reduce environmental impact, embrace ethical practices and build fashion systems that are regenerative rather than extractive. Decarbonize invites people to imagine a future where fashion respects the planet as much as it celebrates style.
When you talk about decarbonize, a lot of people think about fossil fuels. But fashion is the second emitter of global carbon emissions. So we have to think about it critically and best see how we can address it.
Designers and organisers are using the runway to push for decarbonisation, spotlighting fashion's climate footprint and Africa's role in sustainable alternatives. With Kenya one of the key markets for second-hand clothing imports, they're also calling out the environmental damage this causes.
You know, fashion is something that you can use to spread any message because it's something that everybody likes. So, and then another thing is that fashion is one of the biggest polluter, if not the biggest polluter of the planet. So what a better way to pass the message than using a platform like Nairobi Fashion Week.
The organisers say this reflects a growing shift towards environmental accountability within the sector globally, with African creatives increasingly leading the conversation.
Now, when you come down here to Africa, we are very sustainable. We use sustainable fabrics in developing our collections and pieces, but the message that is coming out of here, out of the home of the unit, is for us to decarbonize.
He adds that the theme comes at a critical time when the world is increasingly worried about the impact of climate change.